Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Artifacts already in the air from both alliances, quickly bringing up these scores, both trying to take the lead here in a match number 64. 24-4-38 on the Blue Alliance. That's Create the Future out of Waukee, Iowa. Driving back over to that launch zone. 1, 2, 3, go in and stay, matching the motif. So they will be able to get 15 points off that volley. Red, though, with their sheer volume, appearing to maybe take a lead as Blue launches up some final shots, and time expires in Autonomous.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, two, one.
Now humans take back control of these robots, lining up ready to go. First shots coming in for the Blue Alliance off 2-4-4-3-8. That's Create the Future. Now let's look, Firewires coming in for the same position, but for the Red Alliance this time. 3 artifacts go up, 2 stay in, locking down some points for this Red Alliance. 7209 Tech Hogs Robotics staying in the far field. Looks like they're pretty unique in that, being the only robot to stay out there. Launching from deep, some absolute line drives towards that Blue Alliance goal. Now their alliance partners out of Waukee, Iowa, trying to clear out the goal just in time for some more shots to go in, bringing up that Blue Alliance score. Blue indeed has about a 30-point lead as we had 70 seconds left to go, with Blue having put up 36 artifacts to the Red Alliance's 26. Seems like these alliances may be playing some different strategies. Firewires playing up in the close field. Looks like their alliance partners are as well. That's 27-318 Mantabots from New York. They're pulling in now, pulling up some scraps off the floor and near that Red Alliance goal. Emptying out that depot, emptying out the gate of the ramp. Now back to the floor. They're able to pull some more on board, joining their partners Firewires in launching it towards the Red Alliance goal. With 35 seconds left to go, 152-88. The Blue Alliance does have a lead as they keep on churning through the artifacts in this match. Endgame not yet started. 3 seconds until endgame. Now that we hear the whistle, Croft division has started endgame. To clarify, the other division is similar timing to us, about 5 seconds ahead, so their game noises will sound ahead of ours. 10 seconds left in our match. 8 seconds now. These teams lining up, trying to get some parks if possible. Firewires tip up for a possible full park with a partial from their partners as time expires in a match.
The scores, and the winner is Blue Alliance with a score of 230 points.